In prime time news this evening, release of suspect in Mandeville mob killing angers relatives. Court grants police access to phone records of the mother of murdered 9-year-old boy in St. James. And death toll increases to 2 in St. Anne crash.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. And before I throw to Javon Keys, who has a preview of the financial week, a story that we're tracking down, the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, says there will be no extension, Herman, of the gun amnesty. But we'll have the details. Which will expire tomorrow. Which will expire tomorrow, but we'll have the details later on in the newscast. So, Javon, what's happening in business news?
Thanks, Janella. Well, the Bank of Jamaica will be raising the policy interest rate come Monday to 7%, but it may be the last increase for now. The details later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Spencer. He has the latest in sports. Spencer, what's coming up?
Thank you, Herman. Well, Australia will co-host the Women's World Cup next year. But before the FIFA Showpiece event, the reggae girls will get to experience that country. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Sounds good. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. With 2 days to the start of the World Cup, who do you believe will win the coveted title?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
All right, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.